We'll guide you through how to use the Wix Light Plan effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Subscriptions tab found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you can view and manage all your current plans. To start using the Light Plan, make sure it's activated under your subscriptions. If it's not, you can upgrade by selecting the Upgrade button next to your site and choosing the Light Plan option. Once your Light Plan is active, you can start building or editing your site. Click on Site Actions and then Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. The Light Plan gives you access to essential features like customizable templates and a range of apps to enhance your site's functionality. Explore the template library by clicking on Change Template to find one that fits your business or personal style. You can personalize your template by dragging and dropping elements, changing text, colors, and adding images. Make sure to utilize the SEO tools available under the Settings menu to optimize your site for search engines. Don't forget to publish your changes by clicking the Publish button at the top right once you're satisfied with your site. Remember, the Light Plan is a great start for small sites and personal projects without overwhelming you with features you may not need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.